Okay, gentlemen, example number 4 says you want to join strips of wood, okay, like on a floor, how you put the wood, a wood floor has strips of wood. You want to join strips of wood that are 15 inches long. I'm just going to draw a picture if I can. They're 15 inches long, okay, and they're 1 5/8 inches wide, okay. To make a cutting board that's at least 12 inches wide. Okay, so we need more of these, right? Like this. The question is, how many more? Okay? How many strips are needed? Well, how would I figure out how many strips that I would need here? Miles, what do you think? So you want to take 1 5/8 and divide it into 12 pieces? You want to take 12, the total that I need, and divide it by 1 5/8 to find out how many of these fit into 12. Is that what you're saying? Beautiful. That's a great idea. So if that's the math problem that we need to do, what's the first thing that I need to do here? Ross.
Make 1 5/8 into an improper fraction.
Okay. Will you do that for me? Ross says make 1 5/8 an improper fraction, so do it for us. It is 13 over 8. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13 over 8. Beautiful. Now, what else do I need to do? I need to finish out this problem, Julian. 12 over 1, just make it a fraction so it's easy to work with. And I'm going to put the division sign between it. So we just change them both to fractions. So what's the next step that I need here, Milan? Always flipping the second one so that we can multiply. Exactly. So tell me what to write. 12 over 1 times 8 over 13. So now my question is, what do I do next before I multiply? Taggart.
I check to see what the answer sign will be.
Okay. What is the answer? I mean the sign. It's going to be positive because they're both positive. They're both the same. So I know my answer is positive. I'm not even going to write a positive sign. We assume it's positive if we don't see a sign. What's the second thing that I want to do? Nicholas.
Second thing you want to do is multiply the numerator.
Oh, no, that's what I do when I'm multiplying. I want to see if I can cancel anything. Is there anything that you see up here that can cancel? I don't see anything that can cancel either. Okay? So now I am ready to multiply. What do I get what do I get in the numerator, please, Rex?
96.
I get 96. And what do I get in the denominator, Spencer? I'm sorry? 13. Good. Now, this is a real world answer. I don't want 96/13ths planks of wood. How many planks of wood do I need if I change this back to a mixed number now? Miles? 7 5/13. So we're getting, I might make my cutting board a little bit wider rather than trying to cut that last one into a little piece. But we need a little more than 7. So 7 5/13 pieces of wood. Nice. Definitely good work. All right. Great job, guys. I think you're ready for your homework.